1900 customized graphite atmosphere furnace. Excellent helper for ultra-high temperature sintering. Full touchscreen operation can export process data. Equipped with multiple security alerts for a more reassuring use. Customized stainless steel flange, high temperature and corrosion resistance, longer service life. Equipped with a water-cooled furnace door to assist in cooling. Compact structure, suitable for sites with land area requirements. Mainly suitable for the development of specialized heat treatment equipment for degreasing, sintering, melting, analysis, and production of ceramics, electronics, glass, chemical, mechanical, refractory materials, new materials, special materials, metals, non-metals, and other chemical materials in atmospheric or vacuum conditions in universities, research institutes, and industrial and mining enterprise laboratories. Configuration can be changed,